With this series, Ethiopian Culture of Ancient Egypt, I found that some of the very practices that I continue to uphold were the traditions and culture of my ancient ancestors. Even without this information being passed down as tradition in our culture, it continues to hold on strong in our society. In this book series, The Ethiopian Culture of Ancient Egypt, Legacy Allen really has shared some amazing details about the tradition of ancient Egypt. With this book series, we've gathered a lot of information about the traditions, practices, and even the merchant activities of our ancient ancestors. This book series even shares the language, which helps us to connect with the dialect of our ancestors. If you want to update yourself or your children and your family on the practices of your ancestors or even just on African culture, then this is a book series that you definitely want to go get. Go to Amazon.com, get this book series, and I'm sure you're going to love it.
Hi, my name is Sania, and I would like to share my thoughts on the Ethiopian culture of ancient Egypt.
I learned about the culture of ancient Egypt. They were very informational. You should probably read this book. Read them all. Hello!